That was a motorhead, Rahul.
Andrew, I'm gonna give a big hug to the sound engineer post the event. He's playing all my favorite tracks. In fact, he's playing all our favorite tracks. And next up is one of our favorite fighters from Delhi. His name is Prithvi Tomar. He's been training in Gurgaon at Warriors Cove MMA. Another prospect in the lightweight division. We've seen him fight a lot of amateur in the circuit. He transitioned to pro after that, and tonight he's here. He's all set to take on Rajveer Medha. This fight was supposed to be a lightweight fight. However, Rajveer missed weight and therefore a catchweight fight. So Prithvi Tomar बोलते हैं कि भाई मैं जाट हूँ, मैं डरता नहीं हूँ किसी से, एंड इसीलिए राजवीर ने लगभग 3.5 किलो का वजन मिस किया और उसके बाद भी पृथ्वी तोमर ने फाइट के लिए हाँ बोला.
Prithvi is a true warrior, flanked by Pawan Man, UFC road to UFC veteran of Indian mixed martial arts.
Rajveer Medha.
I mean, let me. Oh. Do you think it's going to be MMA versus WWE kind of a matchup?
We've got some Stone Cold Steve Austin being represented here. But no, I think it's going to be a great fight.
Well, it's going to be a great fight.
If I were to predict, I would still predict a first round finish. And maybe it's clear that Tomar has been training at Warriors Cove, so maybe he should want to showcase his ground skills there.
Well, राजवीर मेधा को हमने पिछले एडिशन में देखा था VFC के, और बहुत ही बढ़िया फाइट की थी उन्होंने सोहेल खान के साथ. हालांकि डिसीजन पे फाइट गई थी और काफी निराश रहे डिसीजन से, क्योंकि वो फाइट सोहेल खान जीत गए थे और काफी टक्कर की फाइट थी. बट यहाँ पे आज पूरी राजवीर कोशिश यही करेंगे कि किसी ना किसी तरीके से अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग दिखाई जाए, अपनी ग्रैपलिंग दिखाई जाए और पृथ्वी को पराजित किया जाए. I mean, talking about Pawan Man, since you were talking about Pawan Man, Andrew, I want to take the honor and introduce Pawan Man. You know, he's the first Indian 2-division champion. He was welterweight as well as the lightweight champion at Super Fight League. So before there was Conor McGregor, there was Pawan Man.
Pawan Man's a real killer, man. Like, I mean, one of the real veterans of Indian MMA. Very dangerous striker, came in with a singular boxing-focused style and gradually evolved into a well-rounded mixed martial artist that he is today, and a coach now, clearly. Here's Jared with the ring announcements.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighs at 76.2 kilograms, representing Haryana, Rajveer Medha. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, his weight 72.6 kilograms, fighting out of Warriors Cove and representing Uttar Pradesh, Prithvi Tomar. Ladies and gentlemen, the referee for the fight, Abhishek Bish.
All right, referee Abhishek Bish delivering the final instructions to the fighters. Prithvi Tomar taking on Rajveer Medha. Both guys look ready. Prithvi looks quite big for the weight class, huh?
Well, my apologies, ladies and gentlemen. This was supposed to be a catchweight fight at 73 kgs. However, Rajveer came up short when it comes to the weighing scales. He weighed in 76.2 kgs as against Prithvi Tomar, who weighed in 72.6 kgs. So there is a considerable amount of weight difference between the two.
I don't know if it'll play a big difference in the make an impact in the fight, but we'll know in another couple of seconds.
All right, let's get this fight started.
Fighters touch gloves. Prithvi stalking, looking to land that right hand. His right hand is cocked.
दोनों ही fighters distance assess करते हुए. Prithvi Tomar रेड कॉर्नर में है और राजवीर मेधा ब्लू कॉर्नर में.
Yep, Prithvi slowly inching in, slowly inching in, looking to push Rajveer behind that black line. They're right in front of us. Pawan pleading with his fighter to land something, to throw, to hurt his opponent. Right now, both guys just sizing each other up, gauging the distance.
ओह, बहुत ही अच्छा राइट हैंड थ्रो किया यहाँ पे पृथ्वी ने, हालांकि लैंड नहीं हुआ और इमीडिएटली फॉलो अप लिया राजवीर ने और ग्राउंड पे लेके गए पृथ्वी को.
What I like about Prithvi is he's trying to use that butterfly hook on his left side to try and flip him over. He's got it almost, but what he needs to do is, because Rajveer's right hand is trapped, he needs to flip him onto that side. So basically use his right leg to flip Rajveer's left leg over to the other side. Small mistake.
I mean, excellent observation here, Andrew. He definitely has the butterfly guard in, and maybe he's just trying to use it for the reversal.
Yeah, right now he can just get up, like he can just pull one of his legs out and scoot his butt towards his left side and stand right back up. But I don't think he knows how to do that. Rajveer is smart, pulling Prithvi away from the cage, not giving him a chance to stand. He's got that shoulder crush, which he can use to flip him on the other side. Maybe lock up a triangle here.
यहाँ पे triangle की कोशिश.
But no, Rajveer is wise to it. Straight back to the butterfly guard. This is where he's going to do his best work and lay down some shots. Maybe cause some damage, take the first round. Pawan Man has gone all the way to the other side to give his fighter.
Well, Pawan Man being Pawan Man.
Yeah, he did exactly the right thing, but but what I was disappointed with, as far as Prithvi is concerned, he kicked him away, but he did not stand up. He looked at him for a while, he was like admiring his handiwork, like, you know, like he couldn't believe that happened. He's got a triangle again. He could actually switch to an armbar from here.
Well, this man.
Takes another shot.
I think it's going to be excellent for Prithvi to stand up.
Yeah,
and,
but
and
right
start
now,
trading shots.
Right now it's too difficult for him because Rajveer is also putting all his weight in. But if he's smart, he can actually take the back right now. So again, as I said, Rahul, the minute these guys close their legs, it means that they've given up position. They don't want to get up anymore. Because to get up, you need to open up your legs. You need to push.
Man!
Oh, he's taken a bad cut.
Those short strikes actually proved to be devastating
elbow.
here.
It's one of those elbows that cut him open. Oh, he's got a nice armbar here. He can slam and he gets slammed. Oh, beautiful.
Well,
but that's a bad mistake. He might still have it here.
Bad mistake here by Rajveer.
He might still have it. I don't know why the referee is touching them. But from what I can see, Prithvi does not look to have a very tight grip, and he escapes. Beautiful work by Rajveer, who's done his homework as far as triangle and armbar defense is concerned.
Well, it's also important to note that Rajveer has been playing the top dominant position, and he came in a bit overweight.
That's also there, yeah. I mean, look, you're not cutting those last few pounds. It's not going to take that much out of your body, right? You're still going to be relatively fresh, at least fresher than the other guy who cut all that weight.
Yeah. Oh, another armbar attempt.
Looks like he might have it here.
Oh! Whoa!
Beautiful work by Prithvi. What a comeback.
Well, this has to be one of the best comebacks in the Indian MMA circuit. Was cut open, submitted his opponent.
Bloodied up, beaten down, and still pulled out the win.
Another submission down this evening at VFC 4.
6 fights, 6 finishes, huh?
6 fights, 6 finishes. One was a no contest. Well, that's our favorite Metallica for all the metal casuals. But let's look at the action replay. Short strikes here by Rajveer, and that's the first submission attempt by Prithvi Tomar. Got slammed down. Tried to lock in again, couldn't finish, and I think this was the last nail in the coffin.
But it was a beautiful armbar. He switched his hips got it in and just hyperextended.
I mean,
Excellent work.
It's all about being persistent, and that's what MMA is all about. You know, this discipline is all about being persistent. We can see that Prithvi Tomar was so persistent with those submissions. He was trying to play it from his back and finally got the victory despite being in deep waters with that cut on his face.
He was in real trouble for a while. Getting punched, getting elbowed, cut up, bloodied up, and still managed to pull out the win. Very impressive work by Prithvi.
Referee calls the start of this fight in round 1 in 4 minutes and 16 seconds. For your winner, submission by the armbar, Prithvi Tomar!
Beaten down, bloodied, and still coming out with a win. What an incredible victory for Prithvi Tomar.